Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mrs. Buitenbeentje. Let's start off with giving you an outfit of the day. Let me show you. So I have on an oldie but a goodie, a knip mode vest that I made many years ago, about 4 years ago. It's still holding on. And this right here, this dress right here, is the Brit by Seamwork. As you guys know, I am a Seamwork ambassador. Let me tell you about this last piece of the spring summer fashion mood board, which is a Burda dress. The August edition of the Burda is always a gem, and this magazine is no different. No further ado, right? This is my dress. And I wanted to give you a little more, I'm going to put it on and show you later, but I want to talk about this little tunnel situation, right? I had cut out this pattern literally months before I sewed it up, and I started out with lots of confidence to put it together. However, this tunneling in the middle, that had me effed up. Okay. What you need, so this pattern consists of 5 pattern pieces. So you got the front, the back, the sleeves, the facing from the front and the back because of the keyhole in the back, right? But you also need something extra, and that is what you have to draw out yourself, and that is a, let's say, a rectangle of 104 centimeters long if you are making size 34 and 5.5 centimeters wide. And so you come to this part. Let me count the steps to success. Only 9. And you would think with those 9 steps I would have sewn this up in one evening. I just couldn't figure out the tunneling where the elastic had to go, because it seems like how they explain it here is, and I'm going to show you the inside of my dress. It seems like on the pattern was 2 notches on the sides. It had to go in the middle of those 2. I had to iron the sides going on the inside, which was going to be the seam allowance. To sew the sides and then put in the elastic. So I sewed with a zigzag stitch. This will show on the outside of the fabric, right? So this will show on the outside. So you just have to keep that into account. Because the fabric is it's a snake print, I can kind of get away with the blue threading. I could have opted as well for some beige, but then on certain places you would see the beige more, and certain places you see the blue more. It is what it is. But I'm trying to think if there was another way. And then we have this confusion. I'm not even sure how I managed to put this in here. Oh, it has to do right here, I think. This is the same as before. You sew the zigzag on the inside first, so like on the side closest to the hem, and then you do the one on top. You leave a piece open so you could put in the elastic. And then I just sewed it closed. I'm trying to think what I would do different. Well, just give me your suggestions of how you would do it differently. Or, and now I'm just going off the cuff. Or I would say, when I drew the pattern, I had to just draw straight lines across. So right here, I would have had to draw on these pieces and just trace it with thread like I would do when I'm doing a dart. And then it would have been much easier to actually see the entire line and have a straight line in terms of the tunneling. I think that would be the best option. Another tip that I will give you. So in terms of the keyhole in the back, it seems like you have to sew it first and then cut it open. Tip. The reason why I give this as a tip is because I did not do that. I don't know. I like it. I like everything about this dress, especially the fabric. The fabric I got at stoffe.net, and it's German based, but they ship all over the world. So do check them out. And I just bought the fabric with my own coin, so you guys know that. Let's put it on and I'll show you guys. Okay, as you can see there, I'm just showing you the back, the front, the full-size sleeve with the cuffs, and just doing my thing. I have to play a little with the gathering in the middle. Maybe I should have made the elastic somewhat tighter, but I do love the way this dress stays. It's really cute though. It is a little toned down in terms of the color that I usually be rocking, but it's nice. It's really nice. I really like how this stays right here. I really love it. As always, I enjoy making this video. I hope you enjoy watching. Don't be afraid. Comment down below if you have any questions or just want to say hey. And you have a great day. Bye.